Okay guys, it's Tuesday. I've been meaning to do this video for like a month now. Let's go look at my toolbox. I'm not going to go through everything in the drawers. I'm just going to give you a high definition look, and I'm behind on buying tools like since I had my first kid, so hang on. More junk, and more junk. Paperwork drawer, neatly filed. Bolts bin, junk drawer. More paperwork drawer, awards, all kind of good stuff. Screwdrivers, impacts, pry bars, hammers, more junk, soldering gun, vacuum gauge, tester, big ratchet, rivet kit, and more junk. And over there is half of my other tools. And that's about all time I got. So I go through it more detail, but there's too many people around. So maybe I'll do that one on the home of the toolbox at home. So anyway, there you go. Brian, dirt dude. That's who it is. Sorry, Brian. That's for you.